Compressive strength is one of the critical properties of concrete to be tested, as it is linked with load carrying capacity and durability. Come, let's see how the cubes for compressive strength test are cast. This is a simple test consisting of cast cubes of concrete tested on a compression testing machine after the concrete hardens. Most of the desirable properties of concrete are qualitatively related to its compressive strength. Generally, specimens are cast in steel or cast iron molds of 150 by 150 by 150 millimeters. The mold should have rigid connection with base, essential in order to prevent the leakage of mortar during compaction. The cube is filled with fresh concrete in 3 layers and compacted well using standard tamping rod of 16 mm diameter and 60 cm long. Each layer should be compacted with 35 blows. The tamping rod should enter the previous layer while tamping the subsequent layer. After compacting the top layer, the surface is made in flush with edges of mold using a trowel. The mold is covered immediately with damp Hessian cloth and left undisturbed for 24 hours. Site specimens should be stored in 22 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. The cubes should be marked with suitable identification number when slightly hardened to facilitate easy identification at different ages. After 24 hours, the mold is stripped off and the cubes are to be stored in water for further curing till it is taken out just prior to testing. Curing water temperature should be maintained at 24 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The cured cubes are then tested on a compression testing machine after 3, 7 or 28 days. It is advisable to test the compressive strength of concrete using concrete cubes. Cubes should be cast in standard cube molds in the manner indicated. It is essential to cover the mold with damp Hessian cloth for 24 hours and cure the demolded cubes in water tanks till the time of testing.